fifth chapter. And from that day onwards, when I heard this Nishkama Karma, I'm trying to do all the karmas without expecting any phala. And I got to know when I expect something or when I'm doing something in a mind like I am doing this, then I might be fall into either this inferiority complex or superiority complex. If I get out that one, and the work which I am doing is not done by me, like the energy within me is doing this, then I can leave the phala to the God, the Krishna.
Yes.
I got to know this, sir, and I am applying everywhere this one.
Yes.
But sometimes when we are in emotionally low or at that times, I'll be in some confused state. So at that time, I'm what to say?
Say you have to apply energy force little higher.
Yes.
When circumstances where you are forgetting about it. Okay. So keep always the consciousness at higher level.
Yeah.
That will control your mind and you will fall into Nishkama Karma. Your thoughts on Nishkama Karma are very right. Perfect. Carry on. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Again, Sankirt is there. Sankirt is not there. Okay. May I request Venkatramanji? Is there? Venkatraman?
Hello?
Venkatramanji is there?
Yeah, yes, I'm here.
Sir. Can we hear you? Anything, any thoughts?
It was very good session there. I'm just before that, till last month, I never attended this session. And after I was going through the WhatsApp message and message from the pyramid WhatsApp group. I saw that, oh, this is there. I missed it. I'm really sorry for that. And last 3 weeks, I've started attending the sessions, and it is really very good.
Yes.
What thing is, what I am requesting is a meditation session. Actually, it can be extended for further something. That's why I told it. And Srikanth also clarified me how it is going on, and I can also join.
It should be done.
Session is extremely good. What are the presentations which you are doing everything and giving that everything is extremely good. It is really, it is very useful.
Yes, fine. So meditation is only symbolically we are introducing, and it is for every one of us to continue in the houses and reap the benefits of that in the same manner. At least for half an hour is the minimum time. We should be in meditation.
Yeah. Because then when he was here in Dubai, we used to do regular classes on meditation. So, so that is why also that's good. Very good. It was very good.
Yes. Okay. Nice of you. And who is Padma is there? Padma? Madam is there? Okay.
Yes.
Is available. Okay, madam. Can you speak? Yes.
Telugu.
Telugu also you can speak. No problem. All languages are equally respectable.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Tell me. Telugulo cheppandi. Unmute చేసుకోవాలి మేడం. చెబుతున్నారా? Okay, there is some problem. Okay, another person is there. Kalidas is there.
Hello. Yes.
Kalidasa is there?
Yes, sir. Kalidas speaking.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
It was very nice. Yes, speech was there yesterday and today also. We are learned a lot of from you. This about this karma. So
Good.
very thankful for you.
Okay. Which place you are speaking
I'm
from?
speaking from Secunderabad here.
Oh, from Secunderabad you have come. Very nice, very nice. Fine,
Yeah,
good. Okay, okay. Good thing.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Welcome. Okay. And the last, I may request who is this? Rajani Kumar. Rajani available? Madam is not there. I think.
Yeah, namaste, sir.
Tell me, madam.
Yeah, I have attended your level 1 and level 2
Mhm.
classes before.
Oh, already.
Yeah, and I'm just listening again. And also because of you, I joined this integrated PhD
Oh,
course in Vedic Wellness University, and I am enjoying so much.
fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
nice.
I'm so thankful to you, sir. Because of you, I joined that class.
Nice, nice. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine. So you are elevating your consciousness, always, on the path of progress. Okay.
Yes, yes. I wanted to know the real truth, and so I'm going to the basic,
Yes.
the
Yes.
Moola, yeah,
Yes. Yes. In-depth study.
where I can get all the answers.
Yes. Yes. That is a right way of studying. Everything, whatever we hear, we should study.
Yes,
Now the
sir.
whole universe is what is the society doing? Everything is hearing and leaving it that just like that. They don't study that. There we
Yeah.
are falling in a pit. So we must study whatever we hear or we see or whatever we know. We should study actually. Okay. Nice
Yeah.
of you, madam. Nice of you. You are speaking from
I'm from Dallas, Texas, in US.
Texas. Okay. Okay. Okay, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All
Yeah.
the best. All the best.
My goal is to, or my anxiety or my desire is to become free from my emotions
Yes.
and get to the blissful state.
Yes. Fine. Fine. Yes. These two are the target of spiritual science. You have selected the right path and you will be successful in that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Fine. Okay. Koteswara, where are you?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. With this, we will conclude our today's session. Thank you, sir.
Anything our Srikanji to add?
Just I wanted to tell all the
Yeah.
participants to join next week
Next
on
week.
Thursday, Friday, and Saturday session. And if you miss out, then you'll be losing out the most knowledgeable sessions from Dr. Shiva Pagaru. So I request all the participants to join again on next Thursday. So if you have any doubts or regarding this session or anything, you can contact Mr. Koteshwara. So he will be helping you out, or you can drop an email to him. So thank you one and all for participating in today's session.
Yes.
Over to Koteshwar.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Nanaji,
Yeah. See you.
Nanaji Rao is there?
Nanaji Rao,
No,
he has
he
not
didn't
joined
join,
today. Maybe he is having some work today.
Okay, okay, very good. Fine. Okay, okay. Then you are asking about somebody?
No, it's okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, then we are concluding the session.
May I ask Sankirt, you want to speak, Sankirt?
Yes, sir. I'm having one question. Can I ask now? Time next week you should ask. If time is there.
No, yeah, continue. Yeah, continue. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm having one question. Now everyone is telling like Earth has moved from third dimension to fifth dimension, sir. Now people who are still in that like routine only, in the materialistic world only, like only Kana Pina Sona only. Now they will vacate again they will take the human birth. Whether they will take birth in the third dimension Earth or fifth dimension, where will they take the birth, sir? Again, rebirth.
See, the dimension change is the subject of ascension. Okay. And there are two kinds of ascensions. One is individual ascension to the next dimension, or planetary ascension for the next dimension. Either the planet whole can change to the fifth dimension, or planet remains like that and only individuals will go, disappear, and then they take rebirth into fifth dimension. Because in their dimension they go there. The planet will remain as it is with other people, not getting higher consciousness. So this is the change of dimensions according to the realization, enlightenment of the people on the earth planet. So now it is, some belief is there that the whole planet is getting a sort of changeover, because there is some concerted universal changes are happening. So still it is yet to be found out whether it would be a planetary ascension or individual ascension. So it takes time, further time is required for that. Okay. So it is not ripe now to decide the things because of the kind of ascensions are there. Okay, we'll have to wait.
And we are having any lower worlds, sir? Like under the worlds, only higher worlds are there, sir.
Higher?
Like after Earth, we go to higher worlds, no, sir. Like that, we are having still lower worlds other than Earth. If we go again, can go back still like lower, not promoting or degrading like that.
Yes, yes.
Lower
If it is not a planetary ascension, then the people will be thrown over to the lower wombs, you know. They will go to the lower realms. So they will be degraded to lower dimension. It is like that always. According to law of karma, it happens. Okay. And higher realms they will be reaching in higher dimensions for those people who are having great work at their credit. So that is there. So at large, for the planetary ascension to take place, it is the universal impression of the total humanity. On an average, it will be going. That is what called footprint. Whatever laid by the group of the people on the planet, that will decide the planetary ascension. So we have to decide the footprint. So it takes time now. Still, it is in the process. Okay. So we'll let wait for some time.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, then Koteshwarji.
Okay, sir. So with this, we will conclude our meeting. Thank you, sir.
So, yes, so we are concluding for today. Okay, all my best wishes to all of you. Bye. With your permission, we'll meet you again
on next Thursday.
Thursday. Okay.
Thursday.
Yeah, next Thursday.
8:15.
Yeah, next week again.
Okay. Thank you.
Madam's meditation. Ananti Madam's meditation. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
For
Have a nice
attending.
weekend to all of you.
Yes, fine. Okay. Nice of you.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Okay.